I found this polyester lace over in the wedding section at Walmart and this polypro mesh ribbon at Hobby Lobby. Make sure you get your 40% off. You're going to lay your material together and you're going to need some pipe cleaners. You're going to need 18 half pipe cleaners and 6 full length pipe cleaners. You're going to start by pinching all the material together, and with a half pipe cleaner, you're going to attach your material to your wire rim using the pipe cleaner, and you're going to use the 2 inner wires within your ring. So you're going to take a half pipe cleaner to measure out how much you're going to need. You're going to pinch and you're going to attach with your half pipe cleaner. Each section of your wire frame will get 3 loops. When you get to your 4th loop, you're going to use a long pipe cleaner, and this is called a crossbar. And you're going to hit your crossbar. The material is going to be the same, but the crossbar gets a long pipe cleaner. And this is, you're just going to continue this pattern all the way around the wreath. So you're going to use your half pipe cleaner to measure your loop. This is called a bubble wreath. You're going to pinch and you're going to move it forward and attach it to the 2 inner wires of your frame. And then at the crossbar, which is going to be your 4th loop, you're going to do a long pipe cleaner. I'm really hoping this makes sense. I have done this before with you guys. It was a Valentine's wreath if you wanted to go back and check that out. This is a very fun wreath. It's very easy. Anybody can do it. And I love the lace with the poly mesh. So once you're done, you're going to choose whatever ribbon you want, or as many layers of the ribbon that you want. This is called a stacked bow. I chose a brown pattern and the, I call it like a robin's egg blue. And then you're going to put them in an X fashion. I did clip the ends to give a nice tail. And you're going to use your long pipe cleaner to hold that down. And when you're done, you're going to wrap the pipe cleaner around to the back of the wreath. And you're going to go all the way around with all your 6 long pipe cleaners and add the ribbon. Now I flip it over and I just make sure all my pipe cleaners are tight. And all the long ones I clip short. I found this sign at Walmart. Super, super cute. I believe it was like $4.99, maybe $5. It says Happy Easter. And it matched perfectly. And I used floral wire to tie it down to my wire frame. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, go check us out on YouTube. And all paint products and brushes, chalkitupfancy.com.